Hello friends, I welcome all of you to world famous Puri Lord Jagannath Car Festival. You just see in front of me there are 3 chariots. It's a world famous place. You can watch. It's a very nice place. And in this car festival, lots of miracles happening here. And you can see very carefully the 3 chariots. And these 3 chariots are called Nandighosh for Lord Jagannath. You can see Nandighosh is very beautiful chariot, you can say, and this chariot is made for Lord Jagannath. And next one you can see just right side Devadalana, or you can say Darpadalana. And next to Darpadalan, which is meant for Subhadra, you will find Taladhwaja. This Taladhwaja chariot is for Lord Jagannath's elder brother Balabhadra. So you can see the chariot, beautiful chariot Taladhwaja. And just backside of this chariot you can see Lord Jagannath temple. You just see Lord Jagannath temple. It's beautiful, and you can see also Nila Chakra. And this flag is very beautiful, and it has lots of philosophical significance. It blows against the wind in the opposite of wind direction, and you can see just below this Patita Pavan flag you will find Nila Chakra. This color, this wheel color is blue, or you can say green, because it is made of 8 metals. And this temple has 66-meter height. And you will find that this temple has no shadow at all. It is scientifically designed in such a way this temple has no shadow. You just see the full scale picture of this temple. Let me clear, these chariots you can see in Badadanda. They are standing and waiting for the deity Lord Jagannath, sister Subhadra, and big brother Balabhadra. Rath Yatra is a Hindu festival. However, this festival has lots of significance, and you can say it is the oldest Rath Yatra, which is called Car Festival. Car Festival taking place in India, in Puri, Lord Jagannath place. And you will find the descriptions of Car Festival, Rath Yatra, in many epics like your Padma Puran, Skanda Puran, Kapila Sangita. There are so many epics, or you can say philosophical texts, in which you will find the description of all these chariots. And this annual festival is celebrated on English month, you can say June. And in Odia calendar you will find Ashad month. In the month of Ashad, Shukla Paksha Ditya Tithi, you can say in the month of English calendar June. As a part of Rath Yatra, these deities Jagannath, Subhadra and Balabhadra, they go to Gundicha temple, which is 2 kilometers away from Lord Jagannath temple. And you see this beautiful danda or courtyard. You can see, let's see very clearly the courtyard. You can say huge number of lakhs of devotees are coming to witness this marvelous piece of attraction, supreme ultimate power. So you just see, it is full of devotees. You can see they are coming from far distances around the globe. England, France, North America, South America, Europe, many countries. Slowly, steadily, devotees are coming to have a glimpse of darshan. You can say darshan of Kalasri Mukha. We say Kalasri Mukha. Very often Lord Jagannath is called Kalasri Mukha because like black color, whatever happened in human life, those misdeeds will be clear when you see the deities in the chariot. You just see the beautiful chariot waiting for the deities, Lord Jagannath temple, Lord Jagannath, Sister Subhadra and big brother Balabhadra. Now we'll discuss in details about the chariots. The three chariots of Balabhadra, Subhadra and Jagannath are newly constructed every year. No old chariot is worshipped, or you can say used in this car festival. Every year new chariots are built. Now we'll discuss about the chariot Nandighosh. The chariot of Lord Jagannath is named as Nandighosh. This Nandighosh has 16 wheels. The number of wheels in this chariot Nandighosh 16. Total number of wooden pieces you can say 832, and the height of this Nandighosh is 44 feet and 2 inches. Length and breadth 34 feet 6 inches. Length and breadth are same, and this chariot is wrapped with red color, yellow color clothes. You can see, and this chariot is guided by Garuda, and the name of the charioteer is Daruka. Charioteer is Daruka. And next one you can say Devadalana or Darpadalana. Darpadalana next to Nandighosh in the middle of these chariots, three chariots, you will find it is meant for Subhadra. Why it is called Darpadalana? Because in order to finish the ego from the human life, Subhadra is called Darpadalana. The goddess is also accompanied by Sudarshan. Sudarshan also goes with Ma Subhadra or Subhadra deity goddess. And you have to understand what is Sudarshan, the meaning of Sudarshan. The meaning of Sudarshan is nice philosophy. Su means good, Darshan means philosophy. So good philosophy you will find in this chariot. It is the embodiment of good philosophy. And next to, or you can say there are so many things I will discuss now. The number of wheels used in this Devadalan 12, and total number of wooden pieces 593, and length breadth is 31 feet 6 inches, and length and breadth is equal. In all chariots I think length and breadth is equal, and the height of this Devadalan is 42 feet 3 inches, and it is guarded by Joy Durga. And name of the chariot is Arjun, and flag is called Nadambika. So there are so many things regarding this beautiful chariot. And next to this Darpadalana, or you can say Devadalana, you will find the extreme right of Lord Jagannath, or you can say Nandighosh, is your Taladhwaja. The chariot is called Taladhwaja, and in this chariot you will find Lord Balabhadra, the elder brother of Lord Jagannath, is sitting, and they will come. This is the view of morning time, so it is yet to celebrate. The deities will come after certain formalities inside the temple, you can say. And I am talking about Taladhwaja chariot. This chariot has 14 wheels. I have already told Nandighosh has 16 wheels, Devadalan has 12 wheels, and this Taladhwaja has 14 wheels. And in this chariot Taladhwaja, total number of wooden pieces 763. 763 pieces of wood used, and height is 43 feet and 3 inches. Length breadth is 33 feet, and you will find red, bluish and green color, which is wrapped, and it is guarded by Vasudev. and chariot is Matali, and the flag is called Unani. Let me clear here one important information regarding Devadalana. You will find the presiding deity is Nandi and Chamunda. So these are the descriptions of chariots, and let me clear and let me show this courtyard or danda, you can say the greatest danda in philosophical or mythological story. You just see devotees are coming from different parts of the world. You can say Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists, Jaina, all sects, all religious people, they are coming to have a darshan of Lord Jagannath. You can see very clearly. This is one of the marvelous place, or you can say the holiest place on the planet. It's a great feeling, great honor, great dignity to say something regarding Lords Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. You can see very nicely. So this is about the car festival, but I'll say one thing, this car festival lasts for 9 days. They'll go today in the afternoon and they'll reach at Gundicha temple and they'll remain there for 9 days. And after 9 days, they will come back to this temple, you can say Sri Mandir. Sri Mandir is very famous, you know. This temple has no shadow. There are so many miracles happening every day, and it is all about faith and belief system. And this car festival is all about human life. Whatever happening in human life, that is depicted in this car festival. So human being, their behavior, their attitude, reformation, correction, everything is also happens with Lord Jagannath. So Lord Jagannath says, I am one of you. When devotees pray with lots of patience, perseverance and devotion, Lord Jagannath listens. So thank you for watching this. Wish you all the best, wish you all success. We pray, Lord, to fulfill all your dreams and to establish peace and harmony in this world. Thank you very much. Thank you.